What's up, Tri-City? I'm Jack.
And I'm Cassie, and welcome to TCNN.
This week we're highlighting two very involved students and taking a look where seniors go off campus.
We're also bringing back our Toilet Talk segment and hosting a game show right here in studio. That's all happening right here on TCNN. Some like to take it easy their senior year, while others utilize this time to get heavily involved around campus.
There are many clubs and activities that students can participate in addition to challenging classes.
Here's John with two seniors that are at the top of their class.
Today we're going to be honoring our senior class valedictorians by hearing about how they achieved these titles of academic excellence.
Well, I joined Tri-City. I didn't really think of myself as very academic, but then I figured out that I was actually somewhat good with math and writing and all that, and I kind of just stuck with it and ran with it. And then I figured out that Valedictorian will give you scholarships from college, and that sounded pretty nice to me, so I kind of just went with that idea, working hard, and eventually I somehow made it here.
Alright, so as a kid I was always the best one at math, or like the smartest one in the grade, and so I liked I liked winning and doing all that stuff, so I was always an A student. Definitely wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Had some good competition, but yeah, I'm gonna be #1 with my friend Isaac.
Wow, that's some really impressive work. Congratulations, Lincoln and Isaac, on this prestige title. Back to you in the studio.
That's absolutely insane that they're doing all these things.
As a senior, I can tell you it's definitely difficult to have that much going on.
I bet it is. Speaking of busy, it's going to be getting pretty hectic around campus this week.
That's right. Here's Cassidy with some reminders for you all.
Hey Tri-City, this week's temperature is ranging from the low 40s to the mid 60s. The rest of the week is looking cool, but mostly sunny with a few clouds. Next, we have bowlies coming up this Friday, and today's the last day to sign up, so make sure to check your emails or scan the code to fill out the form. We also have Spirit Week this week, so here's a reminder that tomorrow is Twin Day. Continuing on this week, we have Valentine's Grams available for $1 in person or $2 online. Make sure to check the ASB Instagram for more event information and updates. And then lastly, we're wrapping up the week with a pep rally where students are competing with teachers in a basketball game. That's all we have for you on announcements. Back to you.
Sure sounds like a fun week. I can't wait to bring anything but a backpack on Thursday.
Totally, I can't wait either.
Today in studio, we have some special guests that are here to see how much they know about bowling in preparation for bowlies this Friday.
Thank God. Hey Tri-City, it's Reese, and I'm here with Jeremiah Turner and Mateo DeQuincio. So today we're going to be doing some bowling trivia since bowlies is this Friday. First question is, how many pins are there? Mateo.
10.
Correct. Second question is, if you have a perfect game in bowling, how many points can you get? Mateo. Correct.
What the heck? How do you know?
Okay, next question is bowling an Olympic sport?
No.
Correct. Jeremiah with 2 points and Mateo with 1. Now, our fourth question of the day is, what is it called when you knock all the pins down? Jeremiah.
Right, come on.
3 points to Jay.
No, he's looking at the screen. No, it's not even on the screen.
The last and final question to find out who is the bowling master is, what is it called when you get 3 strikes?
Turkey.
A turkey!
Bro, that's me all day. Watch the replay.
And that's all we have. That's all we have for you this week. See you at Bowlies this Friday.
Yes, sir. No, we're not going to see.
Great job to our winner, Jeremiah.
Not only this week, but every week, seniors can look forward to going off campus during their free periods.
Sure wish I could go off campus.
Don't worry, senior year will come before you know it. In the meantime, here's Olivia with where seniors like to go.
This week we're going to be walking around asking seniors where is their favorite place to go for off-campus lunch and what they do during their free period.
I like to go to In-N-Out a lot.
When I go off of campus, my favorite place to go is Popeyes, and I go every chance I get.
Probably Valerie's, because it's good and I like burritos and quesadillas.
Wow, thanks guys. Now I sure can't wait to be a senior
What's your favorite spot off campus, Cassie?
Can't go wrong with a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich.
Sounds good. Lastly, here's Carson with our toilet talk.
What's up, Tri-City? This week on Toilet Talk, we're talking about toilets. Alright, so we're here with
Gabe.
Alright, Gabe, and out of all the Tri-City bathrooms, which one is your favorite?
It's got to be the upstairs bathroom.
The upstairs. Can you give us a reason why?
I don't know. It's just nice.
Alright, and what stall would you prefer using when you go to the bathroom?
The big stall.
Are you aware that it's for handicapped people only?
I have not seen any handicapped people here.
There you have it. Now you know the talk on toilets. Back to you in the studio.
Seems like the upstairs and downstairs of the 300 building are tied for the best bathroom.
Yep, my favorite bathroom is the new one upstairs.
Even though they don't have mirrors?
Yeah.
Well, that's all we have for you this week. Catch you next time on TCNN.
TCNN.